Fazan here from home. Let's go and meet the family.
मैं फैजान का नाना हूँ।
मैं फरहान अलविदा की नानी हूँ।
मैं फैजान का चाचा हूँ।
मैं फैजान का पापा हूँ।
मैं फैजान की मम्मा हूँ।
मैं फैजान का फादर इन लॉ हूँ।
मैं फैजान की सासू हूँ। I'm Elvira, Faizan भाईजान की sister.
I'm Faizan भाई का Hi, I'm Faizan भाई का
हाय मैं इरफान हूँ और मैं फैजान भाई का छोटा भाई। The one and the only Mohammed Mumani.
फैजान की बड़ी फूफी.
हाय दिस इज सलमान मैं फैजान की बहन
Mashallah is such a big day for us. I've seen him growing. When I got married, he was only 2 years old, and now he's getting married. Wow, amazing.
My first cousin's wedding, and this is the first wedding in the family, and we have been planning every single day, and I can't even tell you how much my mom was excited. So basically she just rubbed off on me, and everybody's excited in this family.
Little bit. They done very less.
Well, what do we say? Fazan's wedding? It's a wedding we've been waiting for 2 years, and today we are at the eve of that very, very special functions of our life. And yes, tomorrow is a big day for us. Today we've had a really good time, and I've never seen Fazan the way he was today. He's very happy, mashallah. And I do hope that all that he wants from his wedding tomorrow comes true, and everything is exactly as he wants it. So here's to tomorrow.
Call this an arranged marriage, exactly an arranged marriage, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं फीलिंग्स थी उसके लिए और हर वक्त चाहता था कि वही बने. So अब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि yes finally I'm getting the girl I always wanted to get married to, और especially मेरे mom dad को भी वो लड़की बहुत पसंद है. This marriage is a dream come true for me. Class 8 we have been chatting around. हम लोग हर वक्त दूसरे से हर चीज़ शेयर करते थे. हम छुप छुप के बातें भी करते थे, but we never realized what was that feeling exactly until unless the last 2 years जब हम लोग की marriage fix हुई. We were too excited about it. अब 2 साल कब 2 दिन में बदल गए, वो 2 दिन कब 2 घंटे में बदल जाएंगे कुछ नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा. And finally we are together.
हमारी प्यारी बेटी, अल्लाह ताला ने उसको बहुत खुशियाँ अता की शुरू से लेके अब तक. अल्लाह करे उसको आगे भी बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिले. और फैज़ान को, मेरे दोनों बच्चे, अल्लाह उनको सलामत रखे. शादी का माहौल इतना खूबसूरत कि उसको हम बयान नहीं कर सकते, शुरू से लेके आखिर तक. और हमारे बच्चों को अल्लाह ताला सलामत रखे और सारी दुनिया जहान की खुशियाँ उनको अता फरमाए. आमीन.
और रिजवान को अल्लाह ताला ने एक दूसरे का दोस्त बनाया और हम दोनों की दोस्ती हमेशा अच्छे माहौल में परवान चढ़ी. और अल्लाह ताला का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि हमारे बच्चों को भी एक दूसरे के लिए बना दिया. हम इसकी बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं. अल्लाह ताला हमारे बच्चों को दुनिया की सारी खुशियाँ दे.
तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले तो से नैना जब से मिले तो से नैना जब से मिले बन गए सिलसिले
Okay, Assalamualaikum, dear Faizan and Sanobar. Congratulations on your wedding from all of us, and we wish you a very happy married life, and may Allah bless both of you as you both grow old together for years to come ahead. All the best.
All the best.
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समा जा शाहू का शाह तू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समा जा शाहू का शाह तू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा समझा बेकसूर की तकदीर सवारी सवारी है सवारी ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा
तो सारे वो आपकी तरफ देख रहे क्या बात है? आइए भी देख किस बात की है, आइए प्लीज 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 आइए तो सही। ये कहते हैं
I wish my bhabhi and my bhai the very best. I hope they never face any hard circumstances. And I know one thing for sure, they all love each other. So yeah, I just wish that they all stay happy and have a happy married life. Thank you.
लखनऊ में हुई थी शादी, चेन्नई में रिसेप्शन था, अब ये फाइनल लगे हमारी शादी का। दुबई की गेट टुगेदर है। चेन्नई का इवेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त था, खूब एंजॉय किया हमने।
रेजा रेजा मेरा जिया जिया मैं ना जिया रेजा रेजा मेरा जिया
Well, I've been asked to convey my wishes, my best wishes to Faizan today. This special place, the most beautiful spot in Dubai, I think is a culmination of all that he wanted. For him, everything had to be perfect. Har cheez, whether it was the clothes for his bride, his own clothes, his shoes, his belts, he wanted everything to be perfect and he would not settle for anything less than that. So I know today he's a very happy man. God bless you.
This is such a beautiful, grand venue. We are really excited to be here with Faizan and Sanobar. And it's the best wedding we ever attended, best wedding and reception. And it's truly a magical fairy tale wedding.
Oh
one wish for them कि बच्चों, every day make it a special day. Just because you're married doesn't mean that you settle into this 8 to 5 routine, but try and surprise each other every day. It doesn't have to be something very substantial, but something simple like carry her a single rose, hide it in your coat and give it to her when you're in your room. And Sanubhai, you could take him out for dinner someday. He doesn't have to do that to you. You can take him out. So just keep surprising each other and have a beautiful life. Every day have a wonderful day, so that appreciate each other. Both of you are very, very special people, and make each other's life special every single day. God bless you.